Have you ever wondered how cover cropping can improve your garden? Welcome to the world of cover cropping, a practice used by gardeners worldwide to enrich their soil and protect their plants. This method involves planting specific crops, not for harvest, but to benefit the soil and other plants. The advantages of this practice are vast and varied, from improving soil fertility to controlling weeds. Intrigued? So, are you curious about the benefits of cover cropping? Let's dive in. Cover cropping offers a multitude of benefits to your garden, and here are some of them. Let's start with soil improvement. Cover crops enrich the soil by adding organic matter and nutrients. They act like a natural fertilizer, making the soil richer and more fertile for the next planting season. Now let's talk about weed suppression. Cover crops outcompete weeds for resources. By growing faster and covering the ground, they prevent weed seeds from germinating and taking root. This means less time spent weeding and more time reaping the fruits of your labor. Moving on to pest control. Certain cover crops attract beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides, promoting a healthier and more balanced ecosystem in your garden. Finally, cover cropping enhances biodiversity. By providing a habitat for various insects and microorganisms, cover crops increase the biological diversity in your garden. This contributes to a more resilient and productive ecosystem. That's just a few of the many ways cover cropping can boost your garden's health and productivity. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and remember, a green thumb is a gift you give yourself and the planet. Now that you know the benefits of cover cropping, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Make your garden thrive with cover crops and watch the magic unfold. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.